Alright guys, welcome back for day 3 of our 26 letters in 26 days. Today's day 3, so that means we are at letter C. Believe it or not, you've already learned letter C. When we did A, you learned that stroke, and you also learned it with B, backwards. So letter C, and let me switch pens. I'll use the red pen here. C is very simple. It's almost like drawing just an oval. So you're going to start about here and end about here. So when you start, pen tip, no pressure. Place the pen tip, bring it up. As you go around that mountain, throw down some pressure. As you come around and back up again, you're lifting that pen back to the point. I want to try that again. Look at the pen tip. Focus in on the pen tip so that you can see that slight bend that it gets. I'm not moving the brush from side to side. It's in one spot. I'm moving my whole arm when I go to make the letter, and it's just a pressing down on the pen tip to make the thicker letter. So we're going to start here, end about here, up with no pressure around the mountain, and then we're going to push. When we come back up, we're going to lift right about here, slowly back to the tip and up. And here is that in action. Right? So that is a C. And one other little stroke I like to teach from the very beginning, because it does help when you go to start joining your letters together to make words, is to practice this little, almost like a check mark, but it's rounded. And that is an entrance stroke. So to do that, and do that in front of all of your letters, right? So we would start here on the tip of the pen, over, and then we would do our C and join it to that entrance stroke. So you are learning an entrance stroke here, and bringing this out further is kind of learning to exit the letter, which will set you up to go into the next letter. So you can practice that. Watch, entrance, in, our C, exit, and that exit then becomes the entrance for your next letter. Okay, so we'll try it one more time. Enter, tip of the brush, come up with no pressure. As you're coming around, we're going to press. Slow when you come around and lift back to the point and up. And that sets us up for the next letter and the next letter and the next letter. So you can practice just a whole row of C's. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope you're practicing. I'd love to see your work. Have a great day.